Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So as you've read from the title, I'll be showing you how to do some stitch cornrows on 4C hair. Now the trick to this hairstyle is to blow out the hair. Make sure in your initial blow drying you're doing as much as you can and getting that hair straight, because the kinkier it is, the more difficult and more painful it is for your client. And also, these are the gels that I use. I use the gummy wax for the base and I add the shine and jam on top. The shiny jam basically makes the hair very shiny and the gummy wax provides the hold for the hair. What I found very helpful is the tool on my hand, on my finger. This tool is amazing and it makes stitching so much easier, especially if you're using your natural nails and you don't wear any fake nails. I have seen people use comb, but I haven't perfected that technique yet. I find that this one is way better and it's just more suitable for me. If you've tried a comb and it hasn't worked for you, then I advise you to use this one. Click the link under the description box and you should get yourself one. It is amazing. But anyways guys, I'm going to leave you to it to watch the video. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.